Tubi TV, how to get app and login. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can get Tubi TV app and log into your account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to open the Tubi TV app and log in, first of all go to your Play Store or your App Store. In the search box type in Tubi TV and then make sure that you've either downloaded or updated the Tubi TV app to the latest version. Once you've either done that, all you have to do is now go ahead and make sure to launch the Tubi TV application, and then you will see this type of interface. Well, first of all simply ask you to register with email, continue with Google or continue with Facebook, or you can simply tap the skip option if you already have an account, and you can see all of the shows and so on. So basically you can tap the My Stuff button here, tap on the Unlock Now option here, and then make sure to just tap on Sign In option. Make sure to continue with the Google or Facebook account, whatever else it is that you have, or you can simply enter your email and password manually, and once you've done this processes you will be successfully signed in to your Tubi TV account. This way you will be able to sign into Tubi TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.